We're here at Mars Impact Health checking the pulse on what it'll take to overcome the biggest barriers facing Canadian health tech ventures.
I'll say the biggest is funding, it always is. But before that is access to clinical validation. So a lot of early stage health tech startups need that to be able to de-risk so that investors can take them more seriously. And so when they do get to the stage for investment, it'll be really lovely to see more investors willing to take a risk and support the ventures that come out of Canada.
It's almost a truism in startup land that if you're a Canadian startup, your first customers are almost never in Canada, right? And I think we need to change that. So what that requires is a change in mindset. You can change the procurement rules, you can be more open, but I think what you need to do is allow your procurement folks to actually not put a penalty on a homegrown solution.
Without the help of the government, healthcare innovation and AI implementation stay static. Without them making faster decisions, without them giving us the tools and the guides that we need, entrepreneurs cannot move forward. So we need them to make faster decisions so we can bring innovation to the market faster, and things that would take a few years to come to market, we can bring it now in the next few months.
So there are other jurisdictions where there is not just greater investment capital available, but a more risk-aggressive culture. In Canada, we tend to be a little overly cautious, and that needs to shift because the other disability that we have is a relatively small market.
It's really, really hard to not only access pre-seed or seed capital, but to access sufficient amounts of pre-seed and seed capital to truly de-risk a technology, to truly make enough progress so that you can actually access traditional capital markets ultimately. So there's a real dearth of capital. I guess what people don't know is that how acute that problem is. And I think we need better solutions to try to solve that.
Keep following Mars for the latest in tech and innovation.